पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. The topic today is Worldwide Fund for Nature and the United Nations Environment Programme Report 2021 and Sonitpur Model. A report titled A Future for All, The Need for Human-Wildlife Coexistence was recently released by the Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF, and the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. The highlights of the report are: conflict between humans and animals is one of the main threats to the long-term survival of some of the world's most iconic species. Globally, conflict-related killing affects more than 75% of the world's wild cat species. It also affects polar bears and Mediterranean monk seals, as well as large herbivores such as elephants. Global wildlife populations have fallen to an average of 68% since 1970. Now the Indian scenario. Over 500 elephants were killed between 2014-15 and 2018-19, mostly due to human-elephant conflict. During the same period, 2,361 people were killed as a result of conflict with elephants. India will be most affected by human-wildlife conflict because it had the world's second largest human population, as well as large populations of tiger, Asian elephants, one-horned rhinos, Asiatic lions, and other species. Now, what can be done in such a situation? Well, completely eradicating human-wildlife conflict is not possible, but well-planned, integrated approaches to managing it can reduce conflicts and lead to a form of coexistence between people and animals. The Sonitpur Model. In Sonitpur district in Assam, destruction of forests had forced elephants to raid crops, in turn causing deaths of both elephants and humans. In response, Worldwide Fund for Nature India had developed the Sonitpur model in 2003-04. As a result, the community members were connected with the State Forest Department. They were given training on how to work with them to drive elephants away from crop fields safely. WWF India had also developed a low-cost, single-strand, non-lethal electric fence to ease the guarding of crops from elephants. Afterwards, crop losses dropped to zero for 4 years running. Human and elephant deaths also reduced significantly. Advisory for Management of Human-Wildlife Conflict, HWC, approved by Standing Committee of National Board of Wildlife, says, empower Gram Panchayats in dealing with the problematic wild animals as per the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Utilize add-on coverage under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana for crop compensation against crop damage due to human-wildlife conflict. Augment fodder and water sources within the forest areas. The advisory also prescribes interdepartmental committees at local and state level, adoption of early warning systems, creation of barriers, dedicated circle-wise control rooms with toll-free hotline numbers which could be operated on a 24/7 basis. That's all on this topic for now. We will come back soon with more information, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more regular updates. पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी, जीत की.